Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bitcoin IRA. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitcoinira.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Bitcoin IRA website. Now, in order to log into your existing account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you can sign up if you don't have an account, or if you do, you can simply type in your email address and your password to log in. So simply go ahead and type in your email address and your password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Bitcoin IRA. You may have to check the box before you log in to agree with the privacy policy. And that is how simple it is to log into your account on Bitcoin IRA. You can also download the application on the App Store or the Google Play Store and then log in from your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.